Hi, it's Beep from Growing Vegetables with Beep. I want to show you my 5 favorite vegetables I grow in the winter. My top veg is a Swiss chard or a rainbow chard. Swiss chard or rainbow chard. It's really good to grow for the winter because it's always just keeps giving. You cut it and it keeps growing. Keeps growing from the center. So you pick the outside leaves and then new leaves come in the center and it just keeps growing throughout the winter. Comes in different colors. There's red, pink. I have got a pink one somewhere. Let's have a look. Can't see it yet, but I have got a pink one. Yellow gold. And the most people know is the white. Rainbow chard is very similar to spinach, but you use the whole stem on rainbow chard. So like this whole one, you use every part when you're eating it. This is the pinky one. My next top 5 is the humble turnip. You see, I've got a whole patch of them here and they're looking really rather good. Turnips can be sown in August to give you a winter crop, which is when I sowed these. They're all coming at different times, so you know, I got them over several months. This one, nice one. This one ready for picking. I've grown 2 varieties this year, which is Petrowski turnip, which is a yellow one from Poland. It's sweet and mild tasting. And then this variety is Navante Nancy turnip, which is a French variety, and a flat turnip. It's a really good flavor, and on this one you can use the leaves for eating. I haven't tried these, but the real seeds from who I bought the seeds say you can eat the tops. The third vegetable in my top 5 is kale. We love the Cavola nera kale, which you pronounce Cavolo nero. We love the dark green leaves of this variety, which is delicious in stir fry, steamed, and our favorite is our special kale salad, which I'll put a recipe in. The seeds are sown in spring and we transplant them mid-summer, and then we net the plants to stop the pesky white butterflies that will literally decimate the plant if we don't do that. And I love it because it just keeps producing throughout the cold winter months. Parsnip is also one of my top 5. Great winter root vegetable. We use parsnips in soups. What? In stews. We make parsnip chips, or they're really nice roasted. We sow the seeds in spring and we try and keep it weed free. This is pretty weed free, and most gardeners say not to pick a parsnip before the first frost. Here in the south of the UK we don't get many frosts, so we start picking in October, and here's some of them. What are you doing, Reggie? Reggie! Yeah, he's a mole. My all-time favorite is purple sprouting. It's a great overwintering crop. We've had some early purple sprouting, as this one is here showing, which is lovely, but usually we've got other plants that will be later in the year, and I just love purple sprouting. like I said, purely because you can see the lovely purple spears from here that form, and then they'll keep producing little side shoots, as you can see here, and they will keep producing over the cold, horrible months from January, March. These are one I picked before. You can see the middle stalk has been cut and now the side shoots are growing. So that's my 5 top overwintering vegetables to grow. Enjoying the video, please like it, as it will help my channel. So yeah, anyway, let me know what your favorite veg are. And I want to show you a recipe that's very popular in our household, and it's cavanera or black kale salad. We eat it most days. We pick the kale fresh, chop it up finely, show you here. Chopped finely in there, very small bits. And now I'll show you how I make this delicious salad from it. So I've got all the ingredients here. It's tahini, it's honeygar, some honey, olive oil, and some soya sauce. It's around about a tablespoon of each. You can use ordinary vinegar. If you use ordinary vinegar, you do need the honey. I like to add a little bit of honey anyway. Like I said, it's about teaspoons, which I've added all in here. And I'm now going to massage it into the kale salad. So I take the ingredients and pour it all into the chopped up kale leaves. You can see that's in there. Make sure you've got clean hands, because you don't want dirty hands. You then massage it in there. You're going to really, especially the tahini, you've got to really mix it in well. And you just move around and squeeze for a few minutes, 2-3 minutes. And as you can see, it starts breaking up the kale leaves. So we start with quite a big bowl, but it becomes less and less as you're squeezing the kale to get the flavours in. I think it's one of the best recipes. But I'd love to know if you've got some other recipes that use raw kale. It's always great, or cooked kale. We also cook kale, steam it. But I'd love to know your recipes below. And as you can see, it becomes the kale becomes darker in colour. Initially starts slightly lighter. And the longer you squeeze it, the more the flavours mix in. Ensure that all the ingredients are well mixed in, which is mainly the tahini, because it's quite sticky. And taste them. Taste it and decide if you want to add any other flavours. This one is pretty good. And that's going to be for our cheese now. So, like I said, I added soya sauce, olive oil, honeygar, which is a special vinegar, tahini. Makes no odds which tahini you have. There's light and dark. I get what is on the shelves in the health food shop, and some honey, and a tablespoon of each, and just ensure you've really mixed it in well so that it's distributed. I hope you try it and let me know what you think. That's it.